Hey, it's Greg over at DIY RV and Home Camper's Life. Today, we're going to be adding some tiles, and these are the peel and stick style, to our wall behind our sink, our stove, and we're also going to be doing it inside the bathroom. Now, for our sink area, we're going to be trimming them down to where they're flush with the bottom of the trim of the window here, and we're just going to run that all the way across. Let me set the camera up. We're going to start getting this stuff tore apart. Just going to take a flat blade screwdriver, pry underneath, pop the trim away. Let's go ahead and get us a Phillips bit, and we can go ahead and loosen this up so we can pull it out. Let me move you around a little bit. This is another project I got to do, is I need to upgrade all of these outlets to regular residential style outlets. I don't like these per se. There's that. So next we're just going to figure out what our height needs to be. I've got 7 3/4, 7 3/4, 7 3/4 is bottom edge, so that's what we're gonna work with. And again, like I said, I'm gonna cut out this right here. Let's take some of this denatured alcohol. See, and the walls are actually clean. I'm still getting some stuff off of it, so definitely want to try to make sure you get all the oils and anything off of it. The only one thing about RV outlets that's any good is basically they are fully enclosed and cased, so there is no exposed wires or anything like that. But then again, they're cheaply built. If you haven't seen, I've got a video here, autopsy of an RV outlet. All right, so that's looking good. We've got that wiped down really good. Our next thing is I'm going to have to move you. I've got me a board I've cut on, straight edge, razor blade, and I've got some brand new blades if need be. Tape measure. So once again, I'm going to just 7 3/4. Go ahead and take one of these out. these are single packs. And then we got 2 4-packs. That's all they had at the store in this color. I'm gonna find you a link on Amazon. Let's try this out and see what it does. So 7 3/4, I said, right? Yes. So I'm just pulling and holding the tape in place. Finding the 7 3/4, and then making a small slit with the knife. Then I'll come back, place my ruler. Place my ruler. Nice and easy. So there's that tile right there. Let's see how it fits. That fits really, really good. Or better yet, I'm going to go ahead and cut multiple of these out enough to run this whole thing. And then I'm going to sit there and I'm going to figure out what the nice edge over, figure out what the best edge is going to be over on this side. And then we'll make that edge look good, and then we'll take it all the way over to that side. So let me figure out how many I need of these. We'll get them cut and I'll be right back. Alright, looks like I'm going to need 7 of them for the kitchen area. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to go ahead and take the one I've cut, set it together with another one, give it a little tap, set it down. I can take and I can put my straight edge against it, pull it off. Now I can go ahead and trim this one down. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to take one, find the best looking edge here where it doesn't look like a little tiny piece is left or something like that. So I'll cut right around here, and then I'll start over at the sink side at the door and work my way in. how it came out. So we've got the pressed tiles on, and they seem to be holding fairly good right now. I mean, I just put them on. I went ahead and got some almond color tub and sink silicone for the back to kind of let it blend into our color scheme. We did not put any over on this side of the tiles over here. They did not have enough to do that from our supplier. That's all the remnants I had besides this cuts. This is the product. It is Smart Tile self-adhesives. There's the color that we specifically used. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to where you can get those if you like. Now let's swing around. Let's take a look at our kitchen area. And as you can see, we've made it all the way across the counter. We set it up to where it was just underneath the window here. And again, we ran that almond caulk all the way down. All right, I want to thank you for sticking around watching the video. I hope you got something out of this, and if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share the video. And until the next time, happy camping.